What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Crypto Fur. We are starting another week today. Today is Monday, December the 6th, and we are going to go ahead and jump into the markets. Before we do, I got a little explanation that I found for you guys on what happened with this flash crash and where I think this market is going next. So I'll link my Telegram on a later episode, but for now, I'm just going to read off what I wrote down in this group. So, to explain what caused the flash crash, similar to May 21st of this year, Bitcoin open interest has been steadily climbing since late September, causing the funding rate on leveraged longs to reach extreme levels. You know it can be good when those leverages hit extreme levels. So, meanwhile, the price of Bitcoin failed to go higher and started diverging relative to the funding rate, meaning that leveraged long trades were getting too greedy. This creates an opportunity for the whales to crash the market and return the OI back to normal. They just needed a catalyst to make this move, and it just so happens there was fear due to COVID, Omicron FUD, and Evergrande FUD. What's all these things that have been happening all year? Topped with low volume weekend activity. They force these mass liquidations from over leveraged traders. So what happens is that these people who are over leveraging the market. And if you're not into trading and don't know how people leverage, it's like borrowing money to buy more Bitcoin. With when you long, you expect the price to go up. So uh, what happened is that the complete opposite was happening. The lower volumes, people over leveraged caused this domino effect. So what these guys do is that they'll start selling their Bitcoin and it'll just trigger all of these liquidations from these longs, right? Because when you're longing, you're taking risk, additional risk, and you have the risk to be liquidated if a certain price target is hit and you lose all your money that you put into that trade. So uh, as we're seeing right now, Bitcoin had this massive flash crash. So this was everything that I just read was triggered by maybe this catalyst, and then it just sent all these leveraged longs to plummet. And so this wick got bought back up. We're slowly, I guess this is like a fearful market where people want to enter back, but they're just waiting for it to gain more strength, gain more volume. And once we start seeing those things, we'll start to see Bitcoin pick up back up to its original 60K support level. I presume it's going to maybe take us all December in order for us to reach that, maybe even faster than that. And then we'll continue to rally. So not to fear, not to fear. We're above 50 again. So I was looking at one of these projects that I've been looking at earlier. Aleph. Check this out, guys. Throughout this week, it crashed just like Bitcoin, but I got bought up so fast. Somebody saw an opportunity here to buy this, went to all-time highs, and it's just been going crazy, right? So these projects, some of these projects, we'll see what happens to Aleph. Aleph is a pretty cool. It's up in the top 200 now. Okay, so let's go back to the chart, see which ones are up. BitTorrent is up. Loopring, Bitcoin SV, PancakeSwap, these are all up more than 10%. So I think they were oversold and now they're being bought up again, even though we are still on a weekly low. But these are good opportunities to jump on some altcoins if you guys are interested in buying and you thought it was out of your reach. Now's your time. But yeah, just wanted to share that with you guys for today. Let's see what's dumping. Mutable X, XDC, Internet Computer. These might even be at all-time low. This was, let's see what Internet Computer's price was back. So yeah, it started off over 450 and now it's at 30. So if you believe in some of these projects and you're doing your due diligence and want to hop back in the market, this could even be a good opportunity. I haven't done my research as much on Internet Computer, but there's always opportunities, guys. Thanks for watching again. Subscribe if you want to be up to date on crypto news daily, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Later.